Well, hi everybody, Ray Wood here for Jigglar, and today we're going to take a quick look at how to use your laptop to post images to your Instagram account. As you probably know, Instagram, the social media channel, defaults to mobile device settings, so it's easy to post images from your mobile, but Jigglar is a platform that is used on your laptop or your computer. So we're going to take a quick look at how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is obviously go to Instagram.com, and while you're there, make sure you go to Jigglar Agents, give us a follow, because that's where a lot of our Jigglar agents first learn about the new things that we're up to, because we're always posting things there. There's a page that we've just set up, and we'll give you a follow back as well. So that's what we're up to. Right click here, and you'll see a drop down menu. Left click on Inspect, and it's going to bring up, if it looks like that, then all you need to do is click up on this toggle up here, and it will change it to more of a mobile view, okay, more of a mobile device view. Now you'll notice that it doesn't have the plus symbol here, so you still can't add your content. So what you want to do is you want to click up here, refresh, and that will refresh your screen, and you'll see now that it has the plus image here, so you can use your laptop in the same way that you use your mobile phone. So there's a picture of Jeff. I can do that. I can add that in. I can put my copy in there. Then I can click share, and we're off to the races. It's basically that easy. So there you go. Any questions, as usual, sing out, let us know. Dream big, take names, and we'll look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.